Hello, I'm Ivan Goncharov, an immigration lawyer. In this video, I'll explain how to access or challenge information recorded about you in the Schengen Information System, or SIS II, if the alert was registered by Iceland. Iceland applies a direct access model. This means that individuals must send their request directly to the SIRENE Bureau of the Icelandic National Police. Requests can be made to access, correct, or delete personal data stored in the SIS. To apply, you'll need to provide proof of identity and fill in a formal request. This must be done in the presence of a police officer. Requests must be submitted in person and are strictly personal. You can only apply to access your own data. The only exception is when a legal guardian is requesting access on behalf of a ward. There is no fee to request access, but individuals can only submit one request per year, unless special circumstances justify more frequent inquiries. In those special cases, the Icelandic SIRENE Bureau may consult with the National Data Protection Authority. If your request receives a standard rejection, for example, if the response says no information is registered or disclosure is not permitted, you have the right to appeal the decision. This appeal is made to the Ministry of Justice and Human Rights in Iceland. That ministry may also seek an opinion from Iceland's Data Protection Authority before making a final decision. If you are registered in the SIS, you will be informed of the reason for your registration and the purpose behind it. Unless the data must remain confidential to protect public interests, ongoing investigations, or discrete surveillance. In such cases, you may still receive a standard rejection response, even if you are registered. Also, if the alert against you was issued by another country, Iceland must give that country a chance to comment before responding to your request. The main legal basis for these procedures is Act No. 16/2000 and Regulation No. 110/2000 on the Schengen Information System in Iceland. As for language, although Icelandic is the official language of administration, requests submitted in other languages, especially from foreigners who may not understand Icelandic, will still be accepted. Responses will be provided in a language the applicant understands. Information materials are also available in English and can be found at major ports of entry, like the Keflavik Airport. For links to the correct authorities, application forms, and templates to help you get started, check the link in the description below this video. If you need help preparing or appealing a request, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching.